y'all? It's Chris with pennies1000s.com. Going to show you this app I bought it and how you can get cash back, making grocery shopping cheaper for you. It's an app that you must use because, pretty much a lot of things that you buy at the grocery store are going to be on here and it's going to give you cash back. So you can see the different stores they're going to have for you to go to. I'm going to actually go to Walmart. So I'll click on that. You can do in-store, online. You can use gift cards, whatever the case may be. And you'll see all the things they have on here that you can cash back on. You see off top, any receipt, 25 cents automatically. They have different products. You can see the product. You see how much cash back they're offering for their product. They have it categorized at the top so you can kind of see like what you want. Like if you want something you've already bought, you can click on buy it again. They got the what's hot, the items and offers that are really good right now. They're going the best value, new offers. They got the any item, dairy and eggs. They got everything on here. So you just kind of look through it and see what you need cash back on and click on it and then take a picture of your receipts. I'm going to show you how to do all of that. So again, I went to Walmart. I'm going to go down to what I got. So I got any receipt, obviously, when I bought anything, you get to use that offer. And I also bought this Kraft singles cheese. So I'm going to click on that. That's 50 cents. Any receipt is 25 cents. That's a total of 75. I'm going to go back. I'm going to add it. And then that's pretty much all I got from there. So, again, you can see all the things they have on here. A good little section, period. So I will go down to redeem. Just trying to redeem this receipt. Walmart, and I have to upload it. And with Walmart, you can take a picture of the actual barcode they put on the receipt to make it easier. And you'll see there, finding offers. They found it, the barcode match. And exactly what I put on there, that's what they found on the receipt. And I'll just go down to collect 75 cents for 2 offers. And right there, now it says it takes 24 hours to go into your account, but really it goes into your account instantly because you see I had $3 in my account. I'm gonna go back and show you that real quick, but it's going to change to $3.75. So right there, you got cash, and now it goes to $3.75, just like that. All right. So in order to cash out in this site, you need a minimum of $20. I'm gonna show you that real quick. These are my earnings that I have right now. I need $20, but different options they have gift cards, they got PayPal, you can get straight to your bank. Lots of different ways to cash out, but they pay you and they pay you instantly. It doesn't take any time. As soon as you click on cash out, the money goes right to where you want it to be, whether it's your PayPal, your bank, or a gift card. So I'll leave the link to sign up in this app. It is completely free. If it's your first time using it, you get $5 at sign up. So you're 25% on the way to your first cash out. So don't delay. Get started with it. Link is in the description to download on your iPhone, your Android, whatever you have. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.